We're in Williamsburg for the day. We just tried to go to the historic downtown area, the Colonial Williamsburg, and it was a little crowded.
Yeah.
You know, did some calculations, and by the time we would have found parking, maybe, we would have just had to get back in the car to leave. So instead, we're over here at a recommendation called Lucky Junk, and we actually passed 2 other antique places on the way over here that looked very interesting. So not technically Williamsburg.
Kano?
We're on like the outskirts. Anyways, so we passed those 2 on the way here. I've made mental notes, but we're also over here at Lucky Junk, and it's Junque, and we're gonna check this out.
Tori's stalking you. Oh, she's hiding behind. She's trying to sneak up on you.
I see her. All right, she wants to go. There's already stuff out here that I want to look at, but I'm so stinking cold. I kind of just can't wait to go inside. What was that?
They got a candy wrapper trash can.
Oh my.
Oh, it's missing a handle though.
Tori saw this. I know, she spotted it. Really pretty. 22. Did you see the stamp on the bottom? Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love the painting.
Oh.
The glass is beautiful too. I really like the interesting mirror painting. Do you see a price for that?
95.
95? Those bulbs are nice.
No, I was thinking I would decorate my tree with these types.
Are
This is like a very nice red. It's very particular.
What is that, plastic? I can't.
I think so.
$2.50.
I know. See.
Why is that so cool?
Vintage oil and rain lamp for $3.50. That's like a whole built-in wardrobe piece. Look at the detailing on that. So it's got the wardrobe. Yeah, I mean, you'd still have to like frame it all in.
It's 25% off.
Of what? $2,000?
Free?
Oh, I called it.
She
I
saw
called
it.
it.
She
No,
saw
I
it.
didn't. No, I
Cheater,
didn't.
cheater.
I've
She does that all
done
the
my
time.
market research and I know what things are priced at, right,
Is that what you
Tori?
call it?
Market research.
Market research.
Look at these bulbs though. They're beautiful. That's a big desk lamp.
There's some frames that are
There's
pretty
some
nice.
nice frames. I like that one right here. This one with the missing pieces. $10.
Snow White soundtrack.
What about a
Thought it
mantle?
cost- From back here.
Oh, you want me to take a guess on how much it is? That white one?
She's zooming in on the price.
No, I'm not. If I had to guess, $6.45.
Oh, wrong.
What is it?
$3.95.
Really? Wow, that's a great price. It's got the mirror too. We had 2 similar ones at Buckets this past year. I never used one of those.
We had one. 2, 8, 1.
Do you remember your phone number?
1. Had to memorize it. 5, 8. I've tried to call it since I moved. Tried to prank call the new tenant. I didn't know how anything worked, so I used to call
When
them all
was
the time.
that?
Oh, when I was in like...
Last week. There's a set of 4 chairs here with this great carving. It almost has this Eastlake style element to it with a woven seat. And there's 4 of them. Oh, I'm guessing table and chairs for $2.80. I didn't even look at the table.
What's this?
Oh, the table does go with the chairs. Ah.
Or just the
Oh, wait.
chairs for $175.
Or just the chairs for $175. Maybe I was confused because the tag was attached to the chairs.
All day Santa.
Look at all the ornaments.
Yeah. Oh, these stirs.
Those
are
are
cute.
cute. $8 for the Santa stirs. What do you see?
Oh, nothing.
Is this a toy
No, it's real.
that you used to play with? That's an amazing dollhouse. $200 and completely customizable. I actually really like this chair too. Mid-century modern chair, $175.
Oh, it was, what was that show? The Haunting of Blind Manor. Was that
Creepy.
Bly Manor?
One of them. Oh, that's a Fisher. That's Fisher for sure.
It's even got the little white fupa. A bottle.
Yeah, this comes off. It's probably an Avon product.
For $17.37.
Huh. And it's a little trinket box, right?
If I were a teacher, I would put this on my desk.
Can you check the price on the flowers for me, please?
$24.37.
That's very specific.
I
$24.37
can only afford 24.
for the preserved dried flower stem. I saw these glasses and I wanted to get a closer look. $23.37 for the set of 6. Handmade boho straw purse for $14.37. That's really cute. I wonder if Tori saw that. Tori, are you downstairs or upstairs?
Down here.
Did you see this bag? I don't know if that's something you'd be interested in. It'd be a cute little summer bag.
Oh, no, I'll pass, but thank you.
The floor. It's the floor, guys, I promise.
Confirm that it is not.
Someone, it's right there. It's right there. It's the floor. Tray and 5 straw cup holders for $24.37. Well, I haven't even checked that out. Lattice cast iron steamer for $78. I did see the cranes over here. Brass. It says 32 there, but I don't know if that's for the pair or if it's per. Usually sold as a pair, but it might be for each. 2 more cranes. 32, 32. So it's probably for each. And they also have these 2 little sheds. 2 little she sheds. I thought these were really cute. Antique stockings for $16. Is it?
It's kind of like walking into the one show, like barn and buckets.
Whoa, my gosh. There's a piece over there I see. I'm just trying to make it to the back. This is amazing. Where do you start? That piece is pretty fabulous. A foot right there in depth. I bet it's already sold. That's probably why I can't find a tag. Mid-century round table, $135. This cabinet looks like the one I picked up yesterday, or at least it's similar. Chicken wire door cabinet, $375. Handmade frame, $175. $20. Owned by the Vanderbilts, $2,000 for the piano. Dad found this suitcase. the initials EP for $35. Wow. Love places like this. Always just a treasure trove of cool things, unique things, one-of-a-kind finds. You're lying.
I'm not.
You're lying.
It was in my pocket.
No.
I'm kidding.
Oh my gosh, you scared me so bad. I was like, Mike, not again. You 2 is just too many times. 1 is too many times.
2 is just...
What'd you see? Set of floor torches, box. Oh, this box right there, behind it. I see. For $150. Baskets, more baskets, all the bottles you could ever need. Vintage Christmas. $75 on the screen. Some corbels, vintage corbels, $125. $80. This is cute. $15. Candle stand. We actually already have one. This one's smaller. And I really like the shelving area down here. And you could easily replace the mirror portion. It has the old mirrors up top. $150 on that. I thought she was pretty cool too. For $75. There's the signature. Mike thought the beer advertisement was nice for $50. Here's a business card for you guys. A new mirror. We already have a whole tree.
Yeah. We don't need it.
Christmas stuff has a cult following. Vintage Christmas stuff.
Oh yes. And once you get the bug, it's nearly impossible to get rid of it.
Oh yeah.
We had a pig too.
I bet the pig was adorable.
Yeah, they're. What's that toy maker? It's that Stife.
Oh.
They're Stife. We got a lot of cool things.
Before we lose light, let me show you what we got. Okay, first up, candelabra with the little dish at the base. Metal, black, Eastern Asian style art piece. It's a print in a gold frame and it's got the 2 white cranes and that's why I really liked it. More of a useful purchase was this. What is this?
It's for your
It's
pots
pot
and
handles.
pans. Yes,
pot handle.
mitt. A pot.
Mitt.
A pot.
A pot sock.
It's a pot sock.
It's a pot sock.
Handle sock.
Should we show them the other thing? Or it's a Christmas gift, that's why I don't want to show it.
Well, we could.
It would ruin the surprise.
Well, actually,
no! It's a Christmas gift and it's pretty special. But we're gonna head home. Well, we're gonna get some coffee first and then we'll head home. Overall, Lucky Junk, really cool place to check out. Really fun to visit. You definitely need at least an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours to really go through it and see everything. Owner is a super sweet lady. She has a really interesting story about how she came to start this business. That's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.